guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So right now, andito kami ngayon sa Qatar. Dito sa Qatar guys, kung saan kapagdiriwang namin dito yung Qatar National Day guys. Mapakita ko sa inyo guys ang magandang view dito sa Qatar guys. Alright, and 1, 2, 3, go! Ayun siya guys, ang pinaka-video. Sana tayo? Ayun siya guys. So ngayon, ayun siya. May pa-ceremony sila dito guys. So tomorrow is the Qatar National Day. So ang ganda dito guys. Ang daming tao. In fairness, bongga. So there. Siya guys. May paano sila dito kung gusto niyo bumili ng mga souvenir. Ayun siya guys, there. So ngayon pupunta tayo sa the other side. Sige, okay, so ayun na siya guys, there. Ang ganda ng weather, malamig, hindi mainit. Sure. Okay, so pupunta kami ngayon to the other side guys. Papakita namin sa inyo kung ano mga activities nila dun guys. Okay, so there. So welcome to Doha, Qatar. Okay, so abangers kami ngayon dito sa hot air balloon guys. There. Hello Team Abroad and Team Pinas. Mega love channel. Okay guys, papakita ko na sa inyo guys ang mga activities nila dito guys. There. Okay, in 1, 2, 3, go! So guys, so ayan. So may pasayaw-sayaw sila dito for today's video. Diba? Bongga. So sobrang pinaghandaan nila dito guys sa activities. everyone. So, we're still waiting po sa hot air balloon. 6:30 ang umpisa nila, guys. Hello, Ella. There.
Look at the hot air balloon.
Yes. Ayan siya, guys. Hello, everyone. Team abroad. Happy National Qatar Day.
Sensors of cameras and digital devices are not suitable for recording laser shows. However, if you decide to record, please turn off the flash. We wish you unforgettable experiences.
Qatar's story is one of vision and resilience. From the shimmering waters of pearl divers to the modern marvels of Lusail, this land has always embraced ambition, rooted in rich traditions and guided by forward-thinking leadership. Qatar bridges its proud past with a thriving present. Its future glows with promise, an enduring legacy of innovation, unity, and global impact. Tonight, we celebrate the spirit of Qatar, a story that continues to
sa Doha, Qatar. Chinese. There. So, ang sarap maka-relax dito, guys, in fairness. So, pinaghandaan nila yung National Qatar Day. Okay, so ayan siya, guys. Hello! Ayan, sure guys. Hello, Miss Ella. Ella Batalya.
Hey guys. Nice here in Qatar.
Yes. So, nag-enjoy kami dito, guys, ng sobra-sobra. So, hindi rin kayo magugutuman dito kasi ang daming mga food stall dito, guys. Ayan. Sa murang halaga lang ng 25 Qatari Riyal. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming vlog for today's video. So, see you in my next vlog. Bye for now.